M for milk. Milk means दूध. N for nurse. Nurse means nurse. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for pen. Pen means कलम. Q for coil. Coil means बुटेर. R for rain. Rain means बारिश. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for well. Well means कुआं. X for xylophone. Xylophone means लकड़ी का बाजा. Y for yacht. Yacht means नाव. Z for zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.